my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to care for your zucchini plant so that they really thrive. Here's a clip from the show. The other thing I want to do for the squash, actually there's two things. One, I want to monitor for squash bugs. So I'm going to look on the back sides of the leaves, and I'm going to look for those little golden BBs, which will be the squash bug eggs. And I'm guessing we'll start to see them here shortly. And if we see them, we want to pick them off and put them in a jar. Looks like we're okay today. But it's really important to monitor that, and you can pick off the eggs, and you can really control that population very well if you'll just do a little bit of diligence in the garden. So I want to do that, and then I also want to mulch this down because I'm seeing some of the bare dirt, and I want to be able to hold that moisture in for the squash because they are moisture loving plants. So I'm just going to go back in here with another layer of grass clippings and get this mulched. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9 Week 15. And if you'd like to watch the zucchini plants throughout the whole season, go ahead and enroll in the show. It's free, it's online, and you can get in it on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.